Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today I'm going to go over how you would replace this side marker lamp. To replace just the lamp itself is fairly simple, but if you need to replace this whole light reflector part, it takes a little bit, but it's not too hard. So to start with, you need to take out at least 2 push pins and a few of the bumper bolts on the bottom to be able to get this wheel well to pull back. Okay, so I got the wheel well is held back with a bungee just for our user experience, and then right here is the light bulb, and just twist that to your regular counterclockwise and pull it out, and then you just pull the bulb out and replace it with a new one. We got a new bulb. Put it in, and then put it back up in here, and twist it clockwise. Okay, twist it clockwise to lock it in. Then you would put your wheel well shield back on, and so forth. But if you need to replace this piece, same thing. So under the bulb part first, right? And then there's a little tab up top here. You just push it, and then if you take the inside, you take the inside piece completely off, and then this piece pulls out. And unless you go the hinge like that, you won't be getting this out without breaking anything else. So you just push this tab right there, just push it and open it up like a clamshell, and then this will come off, and then you can pull this out. So when you got your new one, go ahead and push this back in, take this, make the black, hit the black cover part, hit the clam there. Apparently we're getting hung up with and then just snap it all back together, and that's how that goes back into place. Push in, twist to a 90, or twist the clockwise, and that's how you replace this side marker bulb on an S550 Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.